Pwede? Okay, fourth placer, Michael Espiritu. And yung rider number 23, Michael. Fifth placer, rider number 143, I love you, Marvin Montesilio. First runner-up in the Vespa. Ay, alagaan niyo yung mga Vespa nyo, ha? First runner-up, Joseph Santos, rider number 101. And getting for the big win for 2011, the Classic Scooter Champion for the day, Alpi Lim. Palapakan naman natin. Alam nyo kasi yung ginagamit yung motorsiklo, hindi nakita ng kabataan eh, hindi inabot. I think I'm just one of the fortunate guys who was able to ride on one of those contraptions on my early trip to Baguio. Just the reserve nyo and reserve, it just so happen hindi namin na-preserve yung best pa namin eh.
Dito kayo kaya siya.
Love, meron kang trophy rito. Yung hindi nakuha, yung kay Love Jose ko. Bigay mo na, andyan sila. Okay, sa lahat ng may hawak na trophy, dito lahat kayo sa stage for the family picture. Lahat ng may hawak na trophy.